Okay, so we have the foil for the fish ready. Originally, I was gonna cook something with these little kind of pieces of salmon, but they're too small. So I pulled out another frozen. Basically, so what I do with the salmon is I buy the salmon whole, and I fillet it myself. But I found a pretty good deal at Costco the other morning. So I just opted out and cut their pre-sliced ones. So we're gonna do this here, that there. Rinse my hands really quick. So we're gonna let this be. Oh, you gotta preheat the oven to 400. Just make sure it turns on. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna put on the. I'm gonna fold this up like this. And we're gonna leave the top open. So what we want to happen is we want the bottom to get kind of crispy. So here's the butter the garlic and the butter that we chopped up and put mixed. So we're just gonna dump it in here. So, and I anticipated the butter to be really hot. So I put it on top of that tray. I'm sorry, the wooden cutting board. So that goes here. Kind of spread it out as much as you can. The whole fish is gonna still absorb the flavor, and then more than likely some of it's gonna run off. Let's try to spread it out. Then we're gonna add in our lemon. I have to cut them earlier, but it's alright. So let's do a whole lemon. Before I do that, let me add some of these spices. Rosemary. With the spices here, you can add basically whatever you want, but I don't want this. We're going for like here it is. For the surf and turf thing. So we definitely want the fish to be the fish and the steak to be the primary things you taste. Some pepper. Another pepper. I think for our spices I'm good. We're gonna cut these into whole slices. Right there. Right there. So then just cut a few pieces because we're gonna lay these on top of the fish. I mean, if you can, try to put one per thing of salmon. Okay, so this is not a good knife for this. Okay, so we're gonna put our lemon wedges on top. Put these on over here because they're more fatty. So like I said, this is going to be going in with the top open to get a little crispiness on the bottom. And then these are going to go in together with the asparagus. And that one is pretty simple as well. So I'm going to do that next.